Vista DUI Injury Defense Lawyer. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm very sorry to hear. I'm sorry that we're meeting on these terms. Stick around. I think you're going to like this video. My name is Dod. I'm the founder of Dod Law. We have offices in downtown San Diego, Vista, and Santa Ana. Now you're watching this video because you're searching for a Vista DUI injury attorney, and you've come to the right place. But I'm very sorry to hear that you or your loved one are about to embark on what's going to be the most stressful and most challenging time of your life. That's just the fact of it. We are a criminal defense firm. I've been doing this for 21 years, and we understand what you're going through, what your loved one is going through. Now, what is the common case for a Vista, DUI injury? Why are you even watching this video? The common case is you were arrested for a DUI, you were involved in an accident, somebody is injured, or somebody died, and you don't know what to do, your family doesn't know what to do, you're stressed out, and you need some guidance. You can go ahead and you can call me. I've been doing this for 21 years. I'll give you a free consultation. I'll go over your case, 619-814-5110. Give us a call. But today what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to put you at ease and tell you that your life is not done. The most important question we get for any Vista DUI injury inquiry is, am I going to jail? Is my life done? What about my job? What about my kids? I can't go to jail time. I can't do any jail time. And these are all very common things that are going through your head. And unfortunately, no attorney can tell you, no, you're not going to do any jail time on a Vista injury DUI case, because there's a chance that you will, depending on what the injuries are. And really what our job as a defense firm is to do whatever we can, turn over every stone to make sure that you get the best possible outcome. Now, there are various things that can happen on your Vista, DUI injury case. Some DUI injury cases start off as a felony, but then they could be filed as a misdemeanor, or we are able to convince the DA why we should get a plea to a misdemeanor. Now, sometimes you might have to plead to a felony, and then after a certain period of time, they will reduce the case to a misdemeanor. That's if the injuries aren't that bad. If the injuries are pretty severe, broken bones, paralysis, death, stitches, then again, you could get probation. If there's a death involved, it's prison most of the time. So this is where you have to be extremely proactive on your Vista DUI injury case. And that's why you're looking for an attorney, is because we need to put you on a plan of what to do, how to get you the best possible outcome, because the majority of the time in any of these Vista DUI injury cases, it's about mitigation. What can we do to get you the best outcome, with the understanding that the case isn't just going to go away. It's not going to just get dismissed. We're trying to get you the best outcome. And it really all starts from, the beginning. We turn over every stone, challenge the blood, the breath. We look at everything. If everything pans out, now it comes down to what can we do to get you the best outcome. Now, the typical thing that we do, and this is assuming you're out of custody, right? If you're in custody, then there's really not much that you can do in jail other than just, do classes, be law-abiding while you're in custody. But if you're out of jail, then there's a lot that you can do when you're out of jail. The first thing we do on all these cases is that we put you on an ankle bracelet. It's called SCRAM, S-C-R-A-M. You can Google it, look it up. It's an ankle bracelet. It's to let the judge and the DA know that you're not going to drink pending this entire case. Now, how does it work? It's a little ankle monitor that goes on your leg, on your ankle, and you can travel anywhere you want. You just can't drink, because if you drink, the device is going to detect alcohol in the sweat. So that's how the SCRAM device will know you're drinking. So we put you on SCRAM, so we let the judge and the DA know that, look, for the last 4 or 5 months, you haven't drank at all. You've taken this case seriously. We get you to do some AA classes. We also, a lot of times in these cases, there's some underlying issues going on, right? Your case didn't start, the moment you got that Vista DUI injury accident. Your case started a long time ago, maybe years ago. There's a lot going on with you. What's going on? Do we need to get you therapy, counseling? Do you need to see psychologists, psychiatrists? There's a lot of different things that, we can do ahead of time so that we can get you the best possible outcome. Because imagine this, imagine we go to court and you've done, hundreds of AA classes. You're on the SCRAM ankle monitor. We get a progress report from SCRAM. It shows that you've been sober for 6, 7, 8 months. You're going to counseling, you're doing therapy. We get a letter from a psychologist saying that you're doing well. You're gonna get the best outcome on the case of anyone that's similarly situated like you, right? So if you imagine the person next to you who does nothing and shows up to court, and you've done all this, obviously the judge is gonna give you, the best possible outcome. Now, unfortunately, in a lot of these DUI injury cases, the best possible outcome is still not something that you like. You might not like the outcome, but it's the best that we can do for the facts that were given to us, right? A lot of times, people want to hire an attorney because they think we're going to wave a magic wand and the case is going to disappear and go away, and that's what's going to happen in this case. But unfortunately, a lot of these cases, as I've explained to you, is for mitigation. What can we do, to get you the best outcome? If you've liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell. I just try to put out these videos to give people the most knowledge possible. You can give us a call for a free consultation, 619-814-5110. You're here because you have a Vista DUI injury case, and your case is going to be heard at 325 South Melrose. We have an office right across from the Vista courthouse, and what we're trying to do is we're trying to get you, the best outcome in your case. We're trying to make this process for you. It's going to be stressful. We're just trying to take off all that stress, so you can take all that stress off and you can throw it into our office and let us take care of it, and you move on with your life and just listen to what we tell you. Remember, get on the ankle bracelet, do AA classes, counseling, therapy, do a lot of work ahead of time, so when it comes time, we can get you the best outcome. Once again, my name is Dod. My firm is Dod Law. If you have any questions, give us a call. Thank you. Don't stress out. Have a great day.